This video demonstrates how to use the Breakpoints view during debugging in eSquare Studio. The Breakpoints view allows you to view and set breakpoints during debugging. The Breakpoints view is opened in the debug perspective from the window, Show View, Breakpoints menu. Add line breakpoint in the View menu allows you to set a breakpoint on the source line. However, it is easier to set a breakpoint on the source line by double-clicking near the line number in the editor view. Add function breakpoint in the View menu allows you to set a breakpoint for a function. Add watchpoint in the View menu allows you to set a breakpoint for reading and writing to variables. Group by in the View menu can be used to group breakpoints. The Go to File for Breakpoint button allows you to jump to the line set by the selected breakpoint. The checkbox can be toggled to enable or disable the use of breakpoints. The Skip All Breakpoints button allows you to skip all breakpoints. This is used when you want to temporarily disable all breakpoints while keeping them enabled or disabled. Various other functions are also available. For more information, please refer to the help.